Today on How To Blinds, we'll show you how to install your free-hang pleated or cellular blind. First, we'll mark out our drill position for our brackets. Each bracket drill hole position must be at least 75mm from both sides of the recess. Now we can drill our holes using a 6mm drill bit and insert our plugs. Screw in the brackets, ensuring the tab is between the blind and the window frame. Do the same for both sides. We'll just show you a reference of where the bracket clips into the grooves on the headrail. So now we can clip the blind into the brackets by lining up the front grooves and pushing up from the back. We'll give the blind a quick test, and then we can install our child-safe cord and chain cleat. Position the cleat a minimum of 1500mm from the floor and make sure to use both screw holes to secure. Now you can tie the cord around the cleat using the figure of 8 when the blind is not in use. And that's how to install your free-hang pleated or cellular blind. You can click the annotation on screen now to see our latest cellular and pleated fabric range. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on How To Blinds.